Okay, ladies, welcome back. It looks like we're one short today. Becky couldn't make it. She had an emergency. But what we're going to do today, we're going to kind of stretch out the swing. The first few sessions that we came out for pitching and bunker and chipping and putting were some of the shorter swings, so we're going to stretch the swing out today. So the first session, we're going to go a couple hours on the full swing with irons. We'll start off with some pitching just to get that feel back of what it feels like, and then of using the left arm, keeping it straight and letting the shoulders do the work. Same thing we did last time was we don't want to use the wrists too much and let the upper body and the bigger muscles do most of the work. Okay, so what we'll do first off, we're going to do first session of iron swings, and then we'll take a break for about an hour, have lunch, come back out, and we'll do more full swings with the 3 woods and your drivers. So grab your 7 irons, and what we're going to do is I've got your station set up. You'll come out, and at that point I'll come out and look at you individually, and because not everybody swings the same and not everybody's having the same obstacles to conquer, but some of the core fundamentals that I want to make sure you're doing, we touched on during the pitching, is moving the shoulders, getting to your proper stance like we worked on, and moving the shoulders back. What I'm going to be looking for when we get into the iron swings is ball position more center, and when we get into the woods, and we'll talk about that later when we come back out, is ball more up in the stance. And I'll tell you a little bit why we do that later on. What I want to see when we get out of your swing is I'm going to see a good shoulder turn, looking over that shoulder at the golf ball. And then I want to see you unwinding with the lower body and finishing with a nice bounce at the end of it. Okay? So what we'll do now is go ahead and get your 7 irons out of your bags. Meet you at your stations, and I'll work with you one-on-one. We're going to get a lot of practice time in. For some of you, we may use some drills and maybe even some teaching aids. So head on over and we'll get started.